Okay, a delivery, laser order 66 Geo. It's been a heck of an order of delivery by our sponsor, Seagull. This one just unboxed the Snow White original. There's no wokeness with this. It is the original. You know, I ain't seen this animated one in probably 50 years. Maybe about 50, yeah. It looks like Bear Kitty is laying on. That's okay, I'll get him off. That's both of them, my kitties, want to open the box with their claws. And got G.I. Jane. Well, this is no slapper. Got Melanie coming in here, hot, maybe staying tuned. Yeah, we got lady and the kitty tramp. Yeah, she's a lady. Wow, I don't think I've seen this flick. Oh gosh, yeah, probably since the middle 1970s. AC3 THX. Paper House. It seems like only last week I ordered that. Is this? It's brand new, sealed. Take it. I hope it's not a rotter. Otherwise, that's been sealed for something like 35 years. Dolby Stereo SR. Oh, a binaural. I think they are. These are Phantom of the Opera. Sealed? That's what it feels like. Ah. Got chapter code on it. MCA. Oh, thank you, Geo, for the laser order 66 with our sponsor, Seagull, and some Bear has been very curious. He wanted to climb all over this, didn't you? Yeah. Have a word with Seagull. He's curious of the pizza boxes. Is there pizza in here? No, Melanie, no pizza in there. Oh. Thank you, Geo. Also waiting for the other laserdisc replacement for the Fly 2. That'll probably be flying in soon. Thank you very much, Geo. God bless.